When you start planning a home improvement project, it's easy to focus on the finished result. New windows that make your home more comfortable, a beautiful new shower, or a sunroom that gives you more space to relax. Of course, you want a quality product, but you also deserve a team that's expertly trained to listen to your vision, respect your home, and is able to guide you through the remodel process in a smooth, efficient manner. Hi, I'm Brian Smith, VP of Sales here at Joyce Windows, Sunrooms, and Baths. We believe that a great remodeling experience starts with a well-trained team. And that training doesn't just apply to one part of the process, it applies to every step, from the first phone call to the final installation. It all starts with our call center team.
Thank you for calling Joyce Windows, Sunrooms, and Baths. This is Lauren speaking. How can I help you today?
When you reach out to Joyce, the person you speak with is trained to do more than simply schedule an appointment. They're here to listen, understand what you're looking for, and help guide you to the right next step. They can answer initial questions, explain how the consultation process works, and help you schedule a time that fits your schedule. The first interaction may seem simple, but it plays an important role in helping homeowners feel comfortable and informed as they begin the process. From there, the next step is meeting with one of our design consultants. This is where the planning for your project really begins. Our design consultants go through extensive training so they can help homeowners navigate the many decisions involved in a remodeling project. Because when you're updating part of your home, there's a lot to consider. What style fits your home best? What materials will hold up over time? What design will work best for the way you actually use your space? A trained design consultant helps you sort through those questions. Their role isn't just to show you products, it's to understand your home, learn what you want to accomplish, and help design a solution that best fits your goals. For example, if you're considering new windows, the consultant can help you understand different styles, energy efficient options, and what might work best for your home. If you're remodeling a bathroom, they can walk you through design choices, materials, layouts, and create a space that's most comfortable. If you're thinking about adding a sunroom, they can help you explore ways to design a space that blends naturally with the rest of your home. Another key part of the training is education. Home improvement projects are an investment, and homeowners deserve clear information so they can make confident decisions. Our consultants are trained to explain your options, answer questions, and make sure you understand what to expect throughout the process. When homeowners feel informed, the entire experience becomes easier and more enjoyable. Measurements are accurate, expectations are clear, and you know exactly what your project will look like. That's why training matters across the entire team. From the call center team that helps get you started, to the design consultant who helps shape the project, every step is designed to give homeowners the guidance they need. Because a successful remodeling project isn't just about the products you choose, it's about having the right people guiding you through the process. Visit joycefactorydirect.com or click the link in the description to schedule a free, no-pressure design consultation and start exploring the possibilities for your home.